Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort you trading. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when you put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord where we're giving daily signals there. Also yesterday after the video we gave a signal to enter long, we take some profit, then we close it, we enter a short, today it hit for us the first target. So you can even you join us there and benefiting from all those things, my friend. The link is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today we got a red day here, a red candle here. By the way, that candle we finished today is Monday candle, so you need to be careful, guys. It's Monday candle, it's finished red. Here now, it gave us the market a very clear head and shoulder as you see it. Neckline of it is going to be down here. When we reach the 4 hours, I'm going to show it to you more clear than here in daily. But now as me I tell it to you, we got those levels like that. I told you we got here that triangle here as you see it, that triangle here, that level where we are. If it's getting broke down here, that means the market is going to fall down more. If it's breaking above here, that means the market is going to go more higher. So that for technical analysis. Now for those people, they are long-term investors and they hold in Bitcoin, what you need to do. People they been with us we buy them from here, we buy them from here, and we buy them from here. Tell them me I got a pending order here. If you want to see exactly where me I got the other orders, you can go back and watch yesterday video where we analyzed the weekly. We show you exactly the levels me I got me pending orders. I got 4 levels, I got in them pending orders. So every time when the market touch there, I'm going to buy again. You can go back and watch it. So that's for the long term. So if the market deep more, we're going to buy. Now what my view personally, me I don't care if it dip more, it's going to be in my benefit. You know that or no? Because me as I tell it to you, when we started here at that level here, I tell it to you, tell people they are with me here. I told them August and September they are always red month. Historical, go back and put monthly chart, you're going to see every time August and September they are always red months. Now what should you do? Just buy. You are very close to the halving cycle, guys. So the halving cycle when it's going to come, we're going to see a major pump in the Bitcoin. And even if the Fed pivot, increasing interest rate, we're going to see a major pump in the Bitcoin. So try to accumulate as much as you can. I've been telling to the people when we are at 15k. Now also here we are at 25k. It's not late, it's still for you more time. Try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. Every month, every day, every week, try to buy Bitcoin. Just day say and forget about all the things. When you see the market is falling, is a very good opportunity for you to buy, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here in daily. Here in the daily you see here our indicator is enter here to oversold area, same like how it's enter here in that place here. Now what shall we do? Shall we enter long? Last time from here as we enter in 4 hours. Now here till now as we still waiting. Yes, that one at the end of the day it's just an indicator or a technical indicator. Also we follow price action because price action it's staying here. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here just this, yeah, forget about all the news, all the media and everything. Now let's go into see the coming news which is coming today. So let's go in there. Here we are at the coming news which is coming today as you see it here. We don't got something special for Bitcoin, we just got interest rate for the Aussie or Australia. That one it will not affect the Bitcoin a lot. Then here we got the table of us as we're looking at it every day as you see it. Look at it. All your stocks, they finished or they started the week by red candles. The SP started by a red candle, the Nasdaq by a red candle, and the Dow Jones by a red candle. Now what should we do? I'm talking here about stock. By the way, if you want to watch stock market analysis, the SP, the Nasdaq, the DXY, we got another channel. The name of the channel, Index Insider. You can go there and every day we put in there a video analyzing the SP, the Nasdaq, and the DXY. You can benefit from those things. If you don't want headache and you just want long-term analysis or long-term signals, we got our Patreon where we're giving signals when is it the right time to buy. Also, we started buying. You can ask people there when is it that deep. Also, we started buying. Now, also we are in very nice profit there. Even you can join us there. By the way, it's not expensive. It's only $5 per month. It's nothing, my friend. If you want to learn value investment, you can join us there. But it's up to you. And here is our friend, is the VIX. As you see it, currency is still very low. That's man 13. Everything still looking great. People, they are not scared from the Fed to increase more interest rate. Actually, there is rumors it's coming from inside Wall Street. It's saying the Fed is going not to hike this month. Is going to pause. That is going to be very good news. But let's wait what's going to happen. Till now, as we follow the market behavior, what it's telling us, yes, it's coming news, it's coming all those things, but also we waiting the market behavior to tell us to enter. That's why me I told you news, it doesn't work every time. Like now in the Bitcoin market, it's falling down, but also we are only 3 months to halving cycle. Halving cycle is major economical data for Bitcoin, but also we're still waiting. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, I tell it to you in yesterday video. I told you like that. We got here that triangle here, that one here, as you see it. Till now, the Bitcoin is showing here down a major support. And even if we zoom in today candle, how it closed. If you came here and you zoom in like that more to see the today candle, how it closed. Look with me here. The market gave us here today a pin bar here, and also we are in a very stronger level. Look at it. That's the level me I'm talking about. You see it when we touch it. The market gave us here a major pin bar here, as you see it. That one. Should we enter long? By the way, people with me, we enter a short from here till down here. We make nice profit today. Now here at that level here, should we enter long? Not yet, my friend, because over here, look with me, you can make something like that, and down here something like that, like a flag here. But the first scenario. The second scenario, what we got here, the thing I just show you in the daily, guys. What did I show you in the daily? I told you we got here a head and shoulder. You see it, that the shoulder, that the head. I'm not drawing on top of it for pictures to get more clear to you. That the second shoulder. You see it? Now it's more clear that the first shoulder, that the head, and that the second shoulder. Where is the neckline? Because that one, it's $1 million question. The neckline is it down here. At those tails, as you see them, that the first tail, that the second tail, that the neckline, guys. If the market came and breaking down here, that means also we are going to fall down more than that. That for the short. For the long, what you got here, I just show it to you. You got here like a smaller flag here. See me how I'm going to draw it here. See it or no? I'm not draw it from the top of the tail here. That a flag, guys. You see it? Now you came from here to here. That one, what it's telling you, that's a continuation pattern. If it's breaking here, that means the market is going to fall down. Yes or no? Or maybe the market will break up here and also we're going back to the top of here, and the market will give us here a big double bottom like that. So all those analyses, the future will going to tell us which one of them is going to work. Either that head and shoulder may I show you, that flag here, or that double bottom which is here. So everything is too clear. Now let's going to see our indicator. What it's saying? Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we been here at the overbought area. Now also we are down here where is the bears they controlling. Now what we waiting? We waiting that one to fall down till it will touch in here oversold area. Then from here also we're going to enter along. At this time when we are in the middle, there is no entry long. I'm talking here just about swing trading. When we reach to scalping and day trading, that's another story. But for swing trading, there is no entry long. You need to wait in more till you got a very clear entry when we are down here at the oversold area. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, it hasn't touched here the oversold area. That's when the color of it doesn't become red like that. Yes, it is orange now, but it needs to become red like that for us to start thinking of to enter long, like how it happened here. We enter till the top here. Same thing now. It's need that one to enter down here and to give us the color to become red. So till now us we still not distribution level. Till now we haven't got a clear picture. So us we still waiting. That's how you need to learn to trade. As I've been teaching you from the start of the channel, passion is always the key of success. Passion is always the key of success. Now you are in a very stronger level here and here in the top as you see it. Now you're waiting. That one here, what it remind you? People that being with us, what it remind you? To remind you about that Wyckoff pattern. If the market break here and do like that, it's going to fall down more, guys. So everything is too clear, guys. So here the market is telling us maybe we're going to fall down more than that. Till now there is no reverse, no nothing. So us we still waiting. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. And today goal, we want that video to reach to 90 like. Even the last video you make it to reach to 50. Please, guys, anyone watching that video, smash the like button. We want that video to reach to 90 likes. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, me in yesterday video, what me I told you, we do it like that. Like that, exactly that. The triangle we used to have. Even in the thumbnail of the video, we used to have here the triangle. Even in the short video, the same thing. I told you if it's breaking down enter short, it's breaking here in that place here as you see it. We enter a short and we put a stop loss here. The first take profit of us, it was in the tail of that candle here. Exactly here. It bring it, look at it. Buy the one here. By the way, me in Binance, it hit my first take profit here. Buy the one here. Now, at that time here, what we got? Because me now, I'm looking to enter along, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. We got here, the downtrend. You see it, how I draw it or no? Or a down channel like that. If we're breaking above here, you can enter long again, guys. If it's not, us we still waiting till the right time. Another thing we got here. You can make something like that. You see it? And here in the top, like that. You got a very clear triangle. But for scalping me, I'm focused about that one here. If it's breaking here, I'm going to enter till the top here. Why? I'm going to tell you why. First thing, that one here, is it at the oversold area? Second thing, me, I'm still holding my short, guys, because my stop loss is it here, and my first take profit it's being hit. So me, I am risk free now. I will move my stop loss to entry place. If it fall down more, fair enough, because my second take profit is it down here at the peak of that one. So everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.